So, my mighty yard sword is not working. Why? I don't know. We're going to figure it out. But to show you what it's doing, let's see if we can get it to start. Oh, prime the bulb. Give it some chooch. So, as you can see, it's not actually operating as to what it's supposed to. Hang tight. Monkey Boy's going to fix it. You heard me right. Monkey Boy's going to fix it. So, stay tuned. It's your first time here, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell for the icon down over here somewhere, and you'll get more videos. Share the videos! Yes, share the videos.
To all your friends.
Bye. All right, Monkey Boy, tell him what you're going to do.
Fix
the weed whacker.
The lawn sword.
The yard sword. Do you know how you're going to fix the yard sword?
No.
Okay.
Are we taking it apart?
We're going to take it apart, yes. So I went to my local small engine repair shop, A&B Auto. I'll leave, or A&B Small Engine Repair. I'll leave the link in the description. And I talked to Lee.
Isn't the pipe plugged?
I can't hear you, Jack. You're mumbling.
Never mind.
The exhaust pipe is plugged.
Yes.
So that's what he told me is the issue is that the exhaust pipe is plugged. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it apart. Because what's the motto, Jack?
Can you can.
What's the worst you got to do?
Take it to the shop.
Take it to the shop. So it looks like these are some numbers. These are going to be some torque tips. Torque screws? Are they torque screws or are they Allen heads? I'm thinking they're torques. There we go. Okay. All right, buddy. Take those screws out. Take that one out and that one out. Oh, hang on. What do we need?
Canvas can.
No, we need magnet tray. By the way, this is a magnet tray that I got from Harbor Freight, the free 99 one.
Flip it upside down.
Look, even holds it in place. Take that screw out right there. Okay. Let me know when you're ready. Get at it. Get at it. Get at it.
This is like taking forever.
Well, it's because you're really kind of not into it, are you? Is it hot out?
Unscrewing it. It's just I'm not really into unscrewing something forever.
No.
And it doesn't even look like it's forever, but it doesn't. The thing doesn't look like it. It'd take forever, but it feels like it does.
Okay, it does. All right, let's see if we can pop that plastic cover off.
This one?
This one right here.
Oh, this one?
Yep.
That's easy.
Yes, it was. Okay, so now we need. I think we need some. No, those are screwdrivers.
Oh, we need drill.
No, we don't. We need
the Twizzler. I'm gonna call it the Twizzler.
the Twizzler.
It looks like a Twizzler. It looks like it's a T. It's pretty much a T and.
Okay, this is the Craftsman Mock quarter drive T handle, and Monkey Boy likes using it.
It's awesome.
Yeah. Hold that. You have to hold it with two hands.
Is it just me or is there actual grease on that?
It's oil.
Oh, that's oil.
Okay, there you go, buddy.
Good.
Take it apart. Now, if you notice, I broke it loose because I didn't want him to strip out the screws. All right.
And of course, this thing should be hot, which it is.
It's not hot.
It is.
Come on, you need to hold it. You need to hold it straight on there, buddy. You need to hold it straight on there. Okay, got it. That one right there. Come on.
Come on, I'm actually trying.
Looks like you're playing. I should loosen it. Look, you gotta hold it straight over the top of it. There you go, just like that. Because if not, you'll strip them out. All right, it's good. It's good. Wow. That's
More
not
screws?
clogged.
Oh, no.
Okay, let's see here. Let's find the. That's not it. Is this it? Yeah, that's it. The muffler's full of oil.
That's probably the thing that we smell.
Yeah. Hold it. Hold it. No. Hold the there you go. Hold the weed here. Now, here's the trick. When you're doing this and you feel that the screw's a little tight and it's not moving very well, just gently rock it back and forth. Whether you got a screwdriver, T-handle, whatever, and it'll come right out. Alright, that tells me that that's the muffler.
It is clogged.
I don't know if it's clogged or not, buddy. Let's see here.
Hopefully it is, because we don't really want to take it back to the shop.
No, we don't want to take it back to the shop.
We're going to fix it by ourselves.
So what we're going to do now, going to take it outside. Take it outside and fire it up. Hang tight. You know the muffler's not clogged. That was loud.
That was a wet one.
This is full of oil. All right. By the way, this is a grip flashlight that I got from Northern Tools. It's got your high beam, your low beam, and it's got a flashing red light for distress, and it's magnetic. Works pretty good.
It's actually very strong.
Yes, it is. All right. Well, that's kind of a no bueno. Oh! All right, so. Monkey boy, do a song and dance for the people.
Let's see if this thing works. Hopefully it works. You're still.
Uh-oh.
Did you break it?
What, buddy?
Did it break?
I don't know.
I don't even think it's not even starting. Which is very. Did you break it?
What, buddy?
Did it break?
I don't know.
I don't even think it's not even starting. Which is very bad.
Buddy, I think we done screwed the pooch. That doesn't even start at all.
Flamethrower the grass and kill
Huh?
it. You could just flamethrower the grass and kill it.
No, we don't want to flamethrow the grass. Because then it catch everything else on fire.
Oh yeah.
Here, go back a little bit. There you go. Alright, well, hey, it's my epic failure of the day. Don't know why it's not starting. Maybe it had something to do with the fact that I took it apart. Anyways, I'll keep you guys updated on what's going on. Thanks again. Rate, comment, and subscribe. So,
Push the little bell at the bottom.
Little
And
bell
don't
right down
forget
here.
to share this video.
yeah, share this
All your
video.
friends.
Share my epic failures with everybody. Alright, y'all have a good, blessed day. Canvas is out. Monkey boy.
Subscribe, leave a like or a dislike. See you all later.